Are you noticing thinning hair? It's tough on your confidence, but there's a natural way to boost hair health: Folisin. This supplement helps men reclaim their hair. Hair loss comes from stress, genetics, hormonal changes, and poor nutrition. Folisin addresses these issues. Its main ingredient, Anagain Nu, boosts hair growth by 78% in 3 months, reduces shedding, and supports healthy testosterone. With saw palmetto and pumpkin seed extract, Folisin promotes growth and maintains natural hair color. Arthur regained confidence using Folisin, and Marek stopped his stress-related hair loss. If you're ready for fuller, healthier hair, Folisin may be your solution. Stay consistent and combine it with a balanced lifestyle to feel great about your hair again.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.